Alright, we're working on the 1992 Dodge Dakota LE transfer case. It's a new process, 231. The chain looks good. Got a sun gear there. That seems to be alright. I'm thinking the problem is somewhere right in there. That's where your synchros are, and where it's shifted. I haven't torn that down yet. I want to see try and see if I can find out what's in there first. Got that looking pretty good. New process 231, serial number 101091-1. So, that part's finished, that part ain't. Before and after. Drain hole, probably put that plug back in. So over here, I went ahead and pulled all of those out. I plan on replacing those with bolts. When I install it, none of those will be in. Those were in the way, taking it out, and it made life very difficult. So now's my chance to make it easier to go back in with it. Just a pickup tube. Somebody else thought that using the black silicone like I did is what screwed up their pump. I don't think it did. I used that and I had no problem. None of it went in my pump, but then you got to be careful not to just leave some of it on the inside of your transfer case. So it's middle of summer, hotter than heck during the day, so I'm still here at 2 a.m. Came in after work, put in some time on this. I'm going to find out what makes it lock up. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.